Oh yeah, I need to.
Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Irono.
Man.
Irono Abolo.
What the fuck?
Ebola.
That's not nice.
Okay, he's on.
There
Alright,
we go.
HE-51s. I'm rolling in 3, 2, 1, and pull up to 100%. Once you're airborne, pull your flaps up and go whatever throttle you want. I will be at 90%.
Vroom vroom.
And once you're airborne,
This is so autistic.
go to 5 degrees of climb and a heading of 215.
This is just sexy.
Oh my god, this is beautiful as fuck.
Yes. German aviation 1944.
Fucking idiot.
You kind of deserved it, mate. You kind of deserved it.
Alright,
Wait,
everybody.
Sesto, should we try that one thing we did with the MiGs?
No,
Circle.
no.
Everybody, we're circling to the left. Those who crash, just respawn and take off as fast as you can.
Exactly, noobs.
I saw that happen in slow motion. It was amazing.
Like, I know I have 5 brain cells, but how the hell did someone get 4?
Spawn back in, my
I have
dudes.
less brain cells.
Wait, someone has an Apache up. That's fun.
Can I
Oh, wait,
crush
no.
into
Wait.
him, please?
Nope, wrong thing. Scout. I'm dumb as fuck.
Please let me crush into him.
Iron, there you go. Okay, it was Iron and... Was that it? Who else crashed?
It was me.
Nuggies.
Nuggets.
Oh,
I'm
nuggets.
just-
I am so slow
Nuggy,
compared to everyone else.
Where are you, Nuggets?
Fucking
I'm
fly
spawning.
bitch.
In hell.
The
Okay.
fucking B1 is faster than me.
Alright, I'm up.
Alright, we're starting a left turn. Nuggets, just come back and follow
Holy
us.
shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Iron, better watch out your moves there, mate. I'll try to regroup.
We're gonna get there in the middle of the first stacks, 100%.
Yep.
How are you all so slow?
Alright, heading 215. I'm gonna dive back down to 500 feet.
Everybody ready? And...
No!
Oh, that was close, whoever that was.
Just
Just trying
maintain
to get an
safe.
actual formation going.
Yeah, if you want. Otherwise, just
Yeah.
stay far enough away from people that you won't kill each other.
Yeah, Rogue, try to slow down a little bit so I can catch up and get off
I'm
your
at
right wing.
90%, and that's what I'll be
Zoom.
the entire time.
I'm at 100 and I'm struggling violently.
Then go up to 100.
Violent struggle intensifies.
Flying in third person with a flight stick fucking sucks, I'll tell you that much.
It's my first person.
Why would you
Alright,
use a
actually, I'm
flight-
gonna run my throttle at 80%, since some of you guys can't fly, I guess.
My plane is updated, surprisingly.
Somewhat passive aggressive, but he gets the point across.
Jesus nuggets, what the fuck?
I wouldn't.
Nuggets.
Oh, so,
Stop doing loops and shit next to my members.
what do you mean?
We all know you're an expert. Jesus, Nugget!
What, do you not trust
Sesto, does this remind you of anyone?
I get out of cockpit view and I look, holy shit. We all know you're an expert skull aerobatics boy, but Jesus.
Jesus, man.
Oh yeah, wings red smoke, by the way.
Roger.
Because
I'm a solo, so I'm special.
I'm a jerk, so I will use the tail one too.
Rogue.
Alright.
So, me and Vulcan were flying in an Arabi match one time. I was in my SU-7 and he was in his German MiG-21. And
Yeah.
he had the brilliant idea of flying right under me upside down. And
mean
long
like
story
Nugget,
short...
like Nugget's trying to do right now.
Like this?
Yeah. Long story
You're going
short,
to fall
we
out.
lost our wings.
And there goes his engine. Extra war, please please refrain from...
Get in
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
cockpit.
whoa, whoa, whoa.
If you're in front, get in
Excellent.
cockpit view and look behind you.
Oh no!
Hello there, Mr. Nuggets. There goes your engine, boy.
Extra was.
We're kind of far away from the field. Everybody, I'm gonna pop up to 1,000 feet so they can see our beauty.
Oh no.
I don't know what 1,000 feet means.
330 meters.
Nuggets, can you
Oh
please
my
refrain from
God.
retardation? Nuggets, refrain from retardation, please.
Extra,
Frodo,
hold
the same
still.
goes for you.
What did
I'm
you
gonna
say,
just hold
Chief?
right here.
Oh,
And
this
guys,
is amazing.
I'm still at 80%. You had one job.
One
You
job.
had one job.
Well, it's not my fault that the guy next to me has to fly
Alright, I'm
around
leveling off.
because he's a special snowflake, my dude. He's gotta be a special
Just
snowflake.
clear comms. Just spawn at those spawn points like E and F2 and fly over towards us. I'm gonna head over to the main chat, see what's going on real quick.
Roger.
You gotta be a special snowflake. Gonna
Wait, did my
they're
WarThunder
so
just
far away.
crash? Oh my god, my WarThunder crashed.
Oh
Hi,
no.
Well
Rogue.
done.
Look
Oh wait, no, I'm back. I'm back. I don't know what's going on. It's not liking me today.
Look how close I am to Rogue.
Yeah, you're let's look up to that. I'm not even the one next to you.
Please play Red Battle in 1.7.
Like
Yes.
if you touch Rogue, he's gonna touch
Oh
Rogue.
no, Vulcan.
Nuggets.
Rogue, hi.
Max and
I know you're an ex-
RPM.
So I'm gonna stay quiet.
Oh, I almost peeled off perfectly, but you took my fucking spot, Sesto.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Sesto cringe. I'd kill Sesto if I was you. I'd assassinate him. Just straight up hire Hitman.
Can we just like straight up play Red Baron by Sabaton right now? Is that a thing?
Exactly. That's what I played on my first air show with Rogue. Red Baron.
Yes.
This is the first one I've been able to make with them in a long time, and it's just because I fucking jerry-rigged a phone to use its hotspot.
What?
I had to steal my sibling's phone to even let me do this.
Alright guys, get some more spacing. I'm dropping throttle to 50%.
Nice.
Hi, Rogue.
Hi Nuggets.
They're trying to get us to land.
Yeah.
Too majestic for their asses.
Alright guys, get some different altitude. We'll be turning right.
Yep.
Okay.
And I'm turning and pop combat flaps.
We should have popped.
You are outnumbered. This is true. Alright, you can drop takeoff flaps. I'm still at 50%.
Oh shit! I'm trying not to hit Rogue, so I'm doing spins.
Don't do spins when you're 2 feet away from my anus.
He can even smell it.
Alright, drop landing
It's
flaps.
stinky.
Well, of course it's stinky. That's where the shit goes.
And once we turn final, we will go down to 40% throttle.
And occasionally the
Nuggets.
Oh, wow, holy shit.
Nuggets,
Holy shit.
just, yeah.
What?
Alright, I'm starting my right turn. Just maintain
Oh my
safe.
Vulcan, what are you doing?
Vulcan,
Yeah?
Why does it not let
Alright,
me use
everybody,
my
40%
landing
clear
plan?
comps, 40% throttle.
Bye, Rogue.
Quite a bit of airspeed here.
Bye, Shinko.
And taxi all the way to the end of the runway.
Oh
Yeah.
fuck! No,
Nuggets.
Nuggets!
My keyboard! Wait,
Bye.
Sorry.
Oh, never mind.
No!
Everybody say yes in chat. Everybody say yes.
Fuck.
I love how I missed the first tree and hit the second one.
Yes.
I hit the first tree.
Alright, taxi all the way to the end of the runway and pull off at the very last taxiway. Then just wait.
Jesus. You were really pushing that one, weren't you?
Yep.
So we lost like 5 people in the last
We lost
10
everyone in
miles.
that landing.
Oh, that's a lot of prop wash. Hey, Rogue. look
Oh,
behind
yeah,
you.
extra! Don't phase through me, my dude. That's not realism.
Frodo, don't take off again.
Yeah,
Rogue,
okay,
look
Chief.
behind you.
Jesus Christ, that is a messy landing.
There's an Apollo coming in.
Turn off at the very last taxiway. Turn off the very last taxiway and then stop.
Yep.
Run!
And don't rip your gear, guys.
F11?
F-11.
F-11 is coming in.
He's gonna land on top of us.
We
I was
outnumber
really
him.
hoping he was going to go supersonic, but now I'm disappointed.
You can't really do it in that thing at low alt.
No, you'd have to.
Yeah, I mean, you can, it's
to
just not
arrange him a
fun.
dive.
I mean, you can, but if you touch your mouse at any point, you lose all your speed.
Or just violently explode midair.
Or get
and
saber
that
syndrome.
because it's not a
Right.
German plane, it's bad.
Guys,
so-
I'm gonna go forward a lot on the taxiway when I'm done spinning to death. Just stop behind me.
Hello, Hydra.
I spun out.
So go through that taxiway and then just line up behind.
Move my plane.
Why is this thing spin?
You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, round, round.
All right, guys. Once you are lined up behind me and stopped, switch to Showtime, baby.
Yep.
I just says line up behind him and not line up in him.
Switching to showtime, baby.
When for the SDKFC from the event.
Let's go to workshop.
It's
The
in a
war-
workshop.
Oh. Okay, hold on. Dude, I literally almost had a panic attack thinking that I wasn't gonna get it. Oh my god.
What, the panic attack? Well, you didn't get it, so.
Yeah, I didn't get it. Damn straight I didn't get it.
Yeah.
SDK.
One of the
Thunder
Blue
is-
Angels doesn't have the Blue Angel skin.
Because. Okay.
Well, do you want me to fly for you? I flew Blue Angels and I know how to.
Yeah, I can do that too.
Can we start?
I needed it. Okay, I'm gonna join back. I need another invite.
Oof.
Because our wings are danger close. Oh, never mind. Realism's out the window.
This is WarThunder. Realism doesn't exist.
I am
Well,
inside
no.
you.
Actually, I can agree with that. Definitely can agree with that.
If that guy in the helicopter crashes, I'm actually gonna be so mad.
This is
Oh,
now.
this looks so
This
epic,
is-
Rogue. You gotta take the picture of this.
I'll get it from
Jesus
replays.
Yes.
Oh, Shinto, what are you doing?
It's the German invasion.
Zoom.
I think he's doing crack.
Sundown, you
cocaine.
took my spot on the.
Maybe next
Can I
time
get
we'll
it?
fly
Can I get
in.
it? Can I get an invite back before? Yeah.
Alright, stay behind me, guys, and just line up directly to my left.
Roger.
It's fine. You don't have to. You don't have to.
Up to the
Nice,
Dude, I had a
Sesto.
dream.
Hello,
I had a dream last night, dude, where I left right to go to like 7-Eleven, right, and get something, right, and I left my room all like fine, right.
Yeah,
why
I'm sure
why
I'll
is it when I
just,
came back
park here.
and my room became a park, and like I went to look in my backpack to get my GoPro stuff, and like my backpack was flooded, and then inside my backpack was my room. Like it was so trippy, dude. Like I was tripping.
I'm reparking Rogue.
Trust me, I don't.
Alright.
I,
What
hell did you-
I never done.
What did
drugs.
you use? What did you use?
He-51s just make a straight line. If you need to reset, then do it.
Oh, rip.
Rip Sesto.
My spot, people.
Mute themselves. Hobby's gonna go.
Nuggets.
All aircraft, turn off engines.
Nuggets.
Everyone's turn off your engine.
HE-51s, mute yourselves.
Everyone mute themselves now.
Don't ask why there's a B-17 on the runway.
Really?
Might have been me.
Everyone mute yourselves. Please.
Astro.
UFO, you need to mute yourself.
Astro, please. Astro, I have my freaking mic muted. I have a Corsair headset.
Bruh, this plane.
Frodo, just go to the end of the line, dude.
Alright, Astro, I am ready to begin doing ATC. Give me a quick second. I'm going to have to taxi my aircraft over to the ATC position. Is that good?
Please mute yourselves. Except for ATC.
Moving over to ATC position.
Actually, do you want me to go live?
Yeah, go on for now. He's in the stuff.
Okay. Well, I'm just gonna go to a better view angle, I guess.
I took some screenshots
First
and
person
sent
to
them to
Wait,
begin
Astro.
taxi, links.
Astro, is it possible I can get in a helicopter?
No.
Bruh.
Once your partner's off, please.
Jonathan.
Mute themselves. Everyone mute yourselves. First display is starting.
So, Astro, that's a no on the helicopter?
No. Mute yourself, please.
Jonathan's a member of Blue Angels. We haven't talked about this specific thing quite yet.
Well, let me just break right here and turn
Give me
my
a
fucking
second.
stream stuff on. This is gonna be quick. This is gonna be fucking quick.
I told
Holy
Glenn
fuck.
3 times he didn't listen, so I kicked them.
Labs.
Astro, do not, for future reference, remain. Hold on. I just used team chat.
Also, so who was talking about earlier the aggressor skin for the A4?
Links, would you please begin the taxi and hold short on runway?
What do you want to know about it? I have it.
Everyone, please mute yourselves.
Hold on. Whoever's talking, go to. Fuck! Get away. Okay. Go to the ground. Go to the ground chat. Wait. Who's talking? Who's talking?